This is the Computer Programming University, and we are back at it again with the white vans. Actually, today I'm going to show you how to create a user in Linux. I'm actually running Ubuntu here, and I'm going to create a new user. It's very easy to do. So all we're going to do is we're going to type in this basic command. Make sure I'm on the right screen. Whoa, got this stuff in the way here. All right, so we're going to just go ahead and do add user, and then we're going to type in a username. So I want to create a user for my channel, Carlisle Speaks Wall Street, my main channel. Enter. So we get an error message. It says only root may add a user or group to the system. So basically, the account I'm using does not have root permissions to do this. But this is an easy solution. All you need to do is a super user do. Super user do is basically going to run this as root, right? So that's like you're activating your administrative controls. Imagine in Windows, when you start something up and you choose the option run as administrator. This is what you're doing basically. So if we do sudo, type in the same command, add user, CSWS is going to be the username. Type in enter. It's asking for a password. So it's a password for my account here. So whatever account you're using, you need to type in a password for that account. Now you see adding user, adding new group, adding new user, and it created a home directory, home CSWS. It already existed because I manually created it, so normally you wouldn't get that kind of error message. And now you just need to create a password for this new account. So I'm going to go ahead and create a password. And it wants you to confirm it. And now it wants you to answer a bunch of questions. I know you guys can't see this. Let's see if I can make this window smaller so you guys can see. There we go. So it's asking for the full name. You can type in some and then guy. Well, well, whatever. It's room number. Just type in enter to skip this stuff. It'll give you the default values. Enter, enter, enter. When you're done, uppercase Y. And you have created a user. So now you may be wondering, how do you see this user? How do you verify how many users are actually within the system? Very easy to see. There is a directory where you have the password. I call it password, but it's not, where all the users are kept. And I'm going to show you where that is and how to find it. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So we're going to type in a very, very basic command. And basically, we're going to use cut, which is something that is very convenient. You can use that. You're going to find a lot of uses for cut. So cut is basically going to allow us to kind of essentially cut certain things out, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to do a cut dash D. You can do a man space cut to find out what the dash D option does. So cut dash D colon, and then we're going to do a dash F1, like Formula 1. And now we're going to go to the directory where the user information is kept. So that's, like I said, password before. So it's PASSWD. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually grep for CSWS. I actually forgot to type in grep. It would be nice to type in grep if you're going to use the grep command. But anyway, so I've added, you see the error I got there because I just piped it to CS. So I did the pipe symbol and then CS. That doesn't work. So you have to add grep. When you do that, these are all the users with CSWS in them. I can just do CS. These are all the users with CS in it. I can look for users with my name. And you can see there's a user account for that as well. So that is how you can get a list of users. If you want to see all the users, obviously don't do the grep. You're basically going to type in this command, and you're going to just not do the grep. That's going to show you all of the users that are currently configured on your system. And that's it. That's how easy it is for you to create users in Linux under Ubuntu. So, if you enjoyed this episode, smash that like button. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe and smash the bell. Smash the bell after you click on subscribe. Otherwise, you're not going to get notified of videos. So what's the point of subscribing? Also, if you really, really want to learn a lot about Unix, I recommend you take the full course. Link in the description. Take the course, get certified, get the job, get paid. Sounds like a plan. So go ahead and subscribe because I know you love this video and you're going to want to see much, much more right here on the Computer Programming University, where the first step is to always smile. Learning should be fun, and here it is fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Until the next episode. Au revoir. Ciao.